Hey guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another cook with me video. Hope you all are doing well. It's your sister Zainab here if you're new to this channel and my returning. Thank you guys for keep coming back and support the sister. So in today's video we are making masoor dal and we're gonna make potato patties and also onion rice. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please like and make sure you subscribe if it's your first time in this channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, it's free, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So as you can see guys, I have washed my dal. This dal you don't need to soak. That's what I like about this dal. It's very quick, you don't need to soak it. So I add that in the pot, and then you add water, just enough water to cook your lentils until it's ready. And I'm gonna add in my lentils a tablespoon of crushed garlic. That's what I was having. If you don't have crushed garlic, just add normal garlic, about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. And then we add some spices. This dal don't need a lot of spices, so I'm adding a half onion. As you can see, I'm slicing onion, just a half of onion, and we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt. That's all you are adding in your lentils, and leave it to boil until the lentils is ready. In meanwhile, I'm going to soak my rice. It's 1.5 cup of basmati rice I'm using today. We actually use basmati rice. We actually use this rice. We are using basmati rice. Okay, so I wash my basmati rice and I soak it. So what you guys see me chopping is garlic. It's 5 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna use this garlic to garnish my lentils when it's ready. And this is onion. I chop half of onion. I'm going to use this onion on my potatoes, so I'm gonna soak the onion with salt for a few minutes, since I need to remove the excess juice which is in the onion. So the potato is ready. I did not show you guys this part. I put the potatoes to boil while I was preparing my dal. So the dal is ready also. It's soft now. I'm gonna set that aside and prepare the garnish. So in the pan you're gonna need some oil. Gonna add the garlic which I chopped earlier, some cumin seeds. It's half teaspoon of cumin seed, and also I'm adding this dry chili. It's a round dry chili. I fried that for a few minutes, and now we're gonna add in our lentils. We're gonna mix it and add some water because it's thick. As you can see, I don't want too much thick. I'm gonna add some water, and then I'm going to wait for my pot to boil. When I see it's boiling, I'm going to slow the flame and leave it on steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. Like that, our lentils is gonna be ready. No. Okay, since we're done with our lentils, we're gonna prepare the potato patties. So this is the onion which I soaked with salt. I'm going to squeeze the excess juice which is in the onion and add that in my potatoes. And these are the spices which I'm gonna add in my potato. I'm gonna also add some green chili and some coriander leaves. Okay, I'm gonna mash the potatoes and I'll be back. Voila, and this is how it looks like. So let's make our patties. So I take a small amount of potato mixture, I place in the palm of my hand, and I just press it until I get the shape which I'm looking for. And to fry, we need eggs. So I beat 2 eggs. I'm going to dip the potato patty in the egg and fry in the hot oil. You don't have to be too much oil. Yeah, so we just have to fry until it's light golden. Okay, our potato patties is ready, as you can see. And here I was just checking my lentils. It was after 10 minutes on steam. And also I just wanted to add fresh coriander. I just love fresh coriander in my curries. Fresh coriander gives extra flavor in the curry and also leave a beautiful color, that greenish. Oh my god. Moving on, here I was making my onion rice. So I add some oil in the pot. I add sliced onion. I fry for 2 to 3 minutes, and I add cumin seeds. I fry for 1 2 minutes. I add water. I add salt, and I cover my pot and wait for the pot to boil. I come back and put my rice, and then I'm going to cover and leave it to cook until the water is dry. Once I see the water is dry, I'm going to slow the flame and leave it on steam for 5 to 10 minutes, and it's ready. I do have already a video where I'm showing how to make onion rice, so that's why I didn't really go in details. So guys, my dinner was ready. As you can see, this is how it came out, and thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like, please like and share as well. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Allah Hafiz.